Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, please check out my links in the description box below. My new book is there. Check that book out, and also that book is part of a bundle package where you can get 4 books and save some good money there. You may want to check that out. My mastery course is in the links below. Be sure and check that out. It's a very good course, and I've got a lot of people already signed up into it, and they're working. Y'all check that out. Stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives. I just got a new shipment of those in. They'll be ready to send straight out to you if you want those. Also in the description box below. Y'all, church was good today. I really needed something positive to rejuvenate me after a week like we had in the stimulus world. Let's hope and pray this next week will turn around for us. Y'all, this whole fight boils down to this. It's an election year, and election day is very close. I will explain this. On one side, you got President Trump pushing to get more money out to the people, to make himself look good, to better his chances of being reelected. And also, the worse he can make the Democrats look, the better he thinks his chances of being reelected are. Now, hear me out on this. This is not all bashing President Trump. Of course, he does deserve some bashing too. On the other hand, Nancy Pelosi, not wanting to agree on anything at all that President Trump is involved in. She is so worried that if she agrees on something he likes, he may look a little better in the polls. And he may have a better shot of being re-elected. That's what the whole thing boils down to. Elections and re-elections. Y'all, she knows that she is gone in November. There are some people out there that saying that her seat is safe. She can't be voted out. They are dead wrong. She can be voted out. So right now, she is just doing anything in her power to make sure President Trump is not reelected. Why, you ask, is she doing that? At the expense of the people? It's just to help her party and to make sure Joe Biden is your next president. Y'all, she knows Joe Biden is not mentally able to be president. She is using him just as she's used all the American people to get what she wants. She pushed him out front as their front runner, knowing the man can't hold the office of president. She done this so she can get what she wants, and that is a lady president. Because a vote for Biden, whether you want to believe it or not, is a vote for Harris. And Nancy Pelosi knows this. It is no way Joe Biden will finish his first term in office. Then Harris will be your president. Nancy Pelosi knows this. This is what she really wants. All this fighting back and forth is not about what's best for the American people. It's all a political game to get what they want, not what the American people needs. Y'all, this is not just Crazy Nancy that's doing this. They're all fighting for what they want and saying the hell with the American people. The American people are just our subjects. That's how they see us. Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm no subject. I'm an American citizen. But who's paying the price for all of this bickering back and forth? They're bickering like spoiled brats that can't get their own way. And the American people are the ones hurting for it. Y'all, I hate to say this, but it's got to be said. I would be very surprised now, this far in the game, if we get a stimulus package, this close to Election Day. Because Crazy Nancy won't let it happen. In fear of President Trump looking better. Y'all, it's sad, but it's true. It's a political game. They do not care one bit about us. Y'all, we have to pray. It's the only way we're going to get out of this. Okay, I want to talk to the people right now that has a YouTube channel and trying to grow their YouTube channel. I want to talk about haters and how haters can really help your channel. So that's why I always say, I love my haters. Haters, come on. I'm good with you. Bring it on. Y'all, there's 3 ways you can handle haters on your channel. You can either hide them from your channel. Then they can hate all they want to. They can type until their fingers fall off. No one will ever see it but them. They will never know that they are hidden from the channel. To them, it looks like everyone sees it. But in reality, they're the only ones that will see it. And they'll never know that. This will get you more views because they're going to always come back to hate on you some more. It will get you watch time because while they're typing, the time is running. And that's also engagement. That's all good for the YouTube algorithm. So really your haters are helping you. Another thing you can do is report them to YouTube. But now, if you report them, you got to fill out the form and YouTube will investigate. And if they find it in your favor, that other person has a strong chance of losing their channel. But before you report them, I got to tell you, be very careful how you reply to these haters, because if you reply bad stuff back to them, you could very well lose your channel also. So be very careful when you're reporting people. Another thing you could do, which is really helping you the best, you could engage with these haters. If they tell you how bad you suck, how bad your channel is, and all that kind of stuff, and they give you a thumbs down, just know that that thumbs down is engagement. It don't matter to YouTube if it's a down or up, it's still engagement. When they watch your video to know that they hate you, that's a view. When they're typing their hate to you, that's watch time. It takes time to type a long comment. So they are really helping your channel. Now, to capitalize on that, engage back with them. Be very nice to them. Say something in the lines of, I'm sorry you're not happy with my channel. What could I do to make you happy with it? Please let me know. Something in the lines of that. Okay, now, they're going to get notification that you commented back to them. Okay, now they're going to come back. When they come back, that's another view. When they answer your post, That's more engagement. And you can keep them going on this. Engage with them as long as you can. You're building your channel up. You're getting more views, you're getting more engagements, you're getting more comments, you're getting more watch time. That's why I say I love my haters. It don't matter what you say in a comment. You had to watch the video, and that comment is engagement. So when y'all get hate in your comments, don't feel bad. Use that hate to your advantage. Build on that hate. Who knows, you may turn them around and they may start liking you. That's fine too. But just know, hate also builds your channel. It's engagement that counts with YouTube. It's views that counts with YouTube. So these are people doing this kind of stuff that they are jealous because you're doing something better than they can do. That they are too lazy to do what you're doing, and they're jealous of your success. Instead of trying to focus on doing it themselves, they'd rather try to bring you down. Don't let them bring you down. Use their hate to your advantage. Y'all, I hope this has helped someone with their YouTube channel. It was hard for me to learn this, but I did learn it. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up and leave your comments. And please check out my links below, my course, my books, my stun guns, pepper sprays. Just check them all out. It might be something y'all want. And if something happens today worthy of another video, I will be back. But until then, just know I do love you all, and pray to God to help us through the situation we're in right now. He's the only one that can help us. I love you all. Ciao.